Welcome to this quick and easy tutorial. I'm going to be showing you how to install CashApp on an Android phone. All right, if you found this video helpful, please leave a like and subscribe to the channel for more such tutorials. Now, first up, go and find your Play Store, okay? For iOS, that would be App Store. So for Android or Samsung, it will be Play Store. So tap on it, use the search function at the very bottom, tap on the search bar at the very top, and then just find CashApp, okay? Once that's typed in, tap on CashApp right here or tap on the search function. Wait for it to load, and once it loads, you'll be able to see CashApp in this section. So as you can see here, I don't have CashApp because I live in the Philippines. As if your store or if your Google Play Store region is set to any country outside the US, the app will either not appear in the search results or display an error stating that is only available in the US, okay? CashApp previously operated in the United Kingdom, but officially shut down its UK operations to focus entirely on the US market. So if you have CashApp in here, just basically tap on install. If you can't see the install button, tap on the drop down and install it, okay? And once that's done, just wait for the process to finish. Now, once you got the open button, just open it up, log in with your account, you should be good to go. That's how simple it is to install CashApp on an Android phone. I hope this video helps, and I'll see you in the next one.